Just a quick clip today about what we are doing here. So we have all the seams and joints taped, which means waterproofed with the Kerdi band. All the area where the heating cable was is covered with the membrane. So we are creating basically a pool here. If you heard a term wet room, this is exactly it. We actually taped up the wall and around all the corners, so we will have a tiled baseboard and water can go only down the shower drain, down the bathtub drain if there's any problem at all, or just out the door, because you don't find out it's something leaking by having drywall damage underneath on the ceiling, because this will be just fully waterproof. So anyways, this is how it works. You tape all the seams, everything's waterproof. It's pretty much one piece of waterproof membrane, the whole floor, the whole room. And with the tiled baseboard, the cleaning is super easy. You can pretty much dump the mop at the door and just squeegee down the shower drain, because we'll have a walk-in shower, no door, no curb, no nothing. So that's where it can go. So consider a wet room solution for your next bathroom project. Thank you for watching.